Introducing the 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The following features are included: delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.